In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to display only the top 3 from your leaderboard with this trick here in Google Sheets. In a previous video, I've created a dynamic leaderboard where we combine all the scores from a scoreboard and create a leaderboard that is sorted and have the top 3 scores at the top. In this video, you're going to learn how to only show the top 3 scores from a scoreboard. Now, this is actually coming from a question from that previous video where a viewer asked, what if I only want to display the top 3 scores? Well, here's how you can do it. So here in my example, I have the team right here and their scores, and the scores are not sorted. But that's okay. We're going to sort everything and only display the top 3 scores right here. Let's get started. We're going to put in our equal sign. And for this one, we're going to use the query function. Now, what's great about the query function is that you can create your own formula within this function. So for this one, we are going to select our data right here. There we go. We're not going to include the headers, and that's okay. Comma. Let's start our clause, and that's going to be your query with the quotation marks, your open quotation marks. Put in select. We're going to be selecting our column A, which is our team. Then our column B, which is our scores. And we're going to order our column B in descending order. So that's going to sort everything out, have everything in descending order, so all the top scores would be at the top. So select A and B, order by B, D, E, S, C. So that's your descending order. And we're also going to add limit 3. This will allow this formula to just grab the top 3 scores from all of that data. Closing quotation marks, comma, and for the headers, we're just going to put in a 0 because we did not include our headers. Close that formula off, press enter, and here we have it. So we have the top 3 scores from the scoreboard right here. Everything is sorted from highest to lowest, and it's only showing us the top 3 scores. So again, here is our formula. We have our data. Then select those 2 columns where you have the team names or the names and then their scores, which is A and B. Then you're going to order the second column right here in descending order while choosing only the top 3 scores. And there you have it. That's how you can display only the top 3 from your leaderboard with our query function. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.